41. How are the molecular mass and the molar mass of a compound similar, and how are they different? Okay, so let's do the similarities first. I think that's easier, and then we'll do the differences. So the similarities between a molecular mass and the molar mass is literally, if we looked at it, would be literally the word mass. So what does that mean? That technically, between them, it will be the same numerical value. So the same numerical value for a molecular mass and a molar mass of a certain compound or element, it would both have the same number. So for example, if I'm talking about, let's just do a single element, right? If I'm talking about oxygen on the periodic table, we know that the mass number is 16, right? So go on your periodic table, you'll see that it's, I think on the OpenStax one, it's 16.00, so I'll use that. So this is the mass number. So this is like the blueprint for the units that you're going to use. So whether you're talking about the molecular mass or the molar mass of oxygen, it's still going to be 16. So I'm going to put over here, I'm going to say molecular mass of oxygen, and then I'm going to put molar mass of oxygen. So what do I mean by the same numerical value? Is that it would be both 16.00 or just 16. But now the differences is that they're different units. So a molecular mass unit would be for oxygen, it would be 16.00 AMU. AMU stands for atomic mass unit. So this is the super small mass weight, basically, unit. So we're looking at it at the atomic, the very small, size level. Meanwhile, the molar mass is in grams per mole. So we can see a molar mass or with our eyes because we could just put it on the scale and see the weight of it, the mass of it. So the difference is that there's different units. Molecular mass is atomic mass unit, while molar mass is grams per mole, because that comes from the different wording. Molecular mass, molecular, is talking about one molecule. So this atomic mass unit, this is for one molecule. Molar mass, mole, this is for 1 mole. So this is for 1 mole. And if we wanted to compare it, 1 mole equals Avogadro's number in molecules. So it'd be 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. I'll just put that. But do you see the difference? AMU is for only 1 molecule, as opposed to molar mass is for so many molecules. 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. This is Avogadro's number. Super important to memorize that number, all right? But those are the similarities and differences between molecular mass and molar mass. Molecular mass and molar mass will have the same numerical value, but they will just have different units because they represent different things. 1 molecule versus 1 mole. Easy peasy, right? And what else is easy peasy? Hitting that subscribe button. It would help us out a lot. It would get the word out to more students, just like yourself, who are trying to learn from the OpenStax textbooks. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for that. Also, you would be the first ones to know when we drop our next set of questions, so that's pretty cool too. Give this video a like if it helped you, and if you want, you could leave a comment. I'll respond back, I promise. All right? I'll see you guys all in the next question. Bye-bye.